To integrate EveryDollar savings goals into your financial planning, start by understanding what EveryDollar is. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances by allocating your income into different categories. Integrating savings goals into this system is crucial for achieving long-term financial stability. First, identify your savings goals. These could be short-term goals like building an emergency fund, or long-term goals like saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. Be specific with your goals, including the amount you need to save and the deadline for achieving the goal. Next, determine how much you can realistically save each month towards your goals. Consider your income, expenses, and other financial obligations. You can use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Now, set up your savings goals in EveryDollar. Log into your account and navigate to the Goals section. Click on Add a Goal and select the type of goal you want to create, such as saving for a car or a vacation. Enter the amount you need to save and the deadline for achieving the goal. EveryDollar will then calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. You can adjust this amount based on your budget and financial situation. Make sure to prioritize your goals, focusing on the most important ones first. As you work towards your savings goals, regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track. You can also use EveryDollar to track your progress and receive reminders and notifications to help you stay motivated. Best practices for integrating EveryDollar savings goals include making your savings automatic by setting up monthly transfers from your checking account, avoiding impulse purchases, and staying consistent with your savings plan. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively integrate EveryDollar savings goals into your financial planning and achieve long-term financial stability.